Welcome, Tom Baxter here at Aura Fitness and Yoga. We're now starting our series with the TRX Rip Trainer. We're really cultivating these movements more towards your athletes or explosive training. This one's zoned in on your hockey slap shot or your hockey strike. So we'll get right into strengthening that thoracic mobility and speed and power with this TRX Rip Trainer. Let's go. Awesome. I hope you like those too. So you can see there's some progression on those. That's going to really make a massive impact in the way that you balance speed and power through your ability to strike that ball. We'd love to hear your comments, like, share any of these videos that we have, and we'll be looking to do more. Every Fitness Friday, you'll be getting some more action from one of us.